Americans for Democracy and Human Rights organization in Bahrain expressed its discontent over the ongoing systematic violations of the rights of the Yemeni people, resulting from the ongoing war exacerbated by the effects of the illegal blockade imposed by the Saudi coalition. The report of the organization stated, "We deeply deplore the ongoing systematic violations of the rights of the Yemeni people resulting from the continuation of the war, exacerbated by the effects of the illegal blockade imposed by the coalition of Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates. Currently, 22 ships carrying fuel, food, and medicine are heading towards Yemen, which have been cleared by the United Nations verification and inspection mechanism for months but have been seized by the coalition to this day. The United Nations does not put an end to this piracy. The continued denial of access to essential fuel will close the remaining 40% of hospitals in Yemen, which have survived the targeting of illegal coalition airstrikes. Owing to the lack of necessary supplies, the destroyed healthcare system will have to limit the delivery of its services to millions of civilians. This situation extends to other sectors such as education, agriculture, communications, transport, etc., not to mention the serious effects of the blockade on the Yemeni people, such as the spread of famine. As the late Special Rapporteur of the United Nations, Idris Jabdri, stated that the coalition's blockade involves gross violations of the basic norms of the human rights law as well as the law of armed conflict. Nevertheless, under the guise of the Hadid administration with the ultimate knowledge and intent to ignite world's worst humanitarian crisis, all with international recognition and support.